Now they are still moving around. Gentle is in Okigwe. I am not in Okigwe. You people should stop propagandering. Udele, listen to me. Okigwe is not Olo. Okigwe is not also. And Okigwe can never be also. You can never achieve any money here in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. You see that money you have made in Olo. You can never achieve it in Okigwe. Okigwe is not Olo. So you better go and look for work to do. You have been saying all sorts of all manner of things against me. Being gentle to Yahoo. My brother, I am bigger than you. Bigger than you. You are more than a dead rat. You know nothing. You are so selfish. The only way to end all these things, Udele, forget about all these things that you are moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. It can never work out for you any longer. You get that? If you are doubting and debating on it, Udele, let us just fix a referendum. In fact, let us make it a kind of politics. Udele, stand like this, gentle, stand like this. Let's see who will win the vote. Udele, the only way out of all these things is to divide this nation. Is to divide Nigeria. Biafra is tired of being in Nigeria. I am still saying it. Since Bidoro struggle, kidnapping, that this movement, people say more than shit here. Biafra. Udele. The same disaster you have set up in Orsu, you can never try it in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. A really mad human being. Mugu. Problem, okay? Who do you think that we provide it here in Okigwe? Okigwe doesn't have that money to give to you. Mugu.
One love.
My wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location, wherever that you are listening me from. I greet you all. I still remain as your humble brother, Ifeanyi Chukwu Orientaza, aka Gentle de Yahoo. I am up today being 24th of April 2026. The reason of me now coming up is this. I have decided not to talk again. But I want to make it clearly. Let me use our language. Because Okwa and Agara, our people, being the Biafrans. But before I proceed, I have to appreciate all lovers of freedom and all supporters of freedom all over the continent. I greet you all. And I wish all of you long life and prosperity. I think and I appreciate each and every one of you for your effort and support over Biafra struggle and Biafran agitation. We must fight this fight to the end, and we are winning the war. We are winning the war. I repeat, we are winning the war, and we must fight to the end. And also, I want to appeal to our people. I want to appeal to our people for everyone to fighting. Remain resolute, for we are winning this war. Biafra is yours, Biafra or nothing, whether they like it or not. But please and please, Biafra land is so much calm right away, and we merit. We make it how it is now. But I want to use this a wonderful opportunity to send this message to the people of Okigwe. Udele is a bastard. Udele is the son of the beach. Udele is Mr. Nobody. And I told me make a maranka for somebody na puta online on social media lamenting, talking rubbish, videoing some areas in Omawa, telling the people that look at what Biafra is, it how Biafra will be. That is why I came up today, being 24th of April, to analyze it clearly and to the understanding of our own people. These are the Eflef Igbos, you know. I know that Igbos is great and Igbos must be great. Biafrans is great and the Biafra must be great. Whether all this Eflef, missing blood, bastards, all these people at Rima Haluga during the time on Nehabaga also Ahuga Goga onions, so let's say tomatoes, say lezuzuari, are all sorts of nonsense. You forgot the time you sent your enemies, you sent the enemies to Omawa. Each of rogue send your enemies, flanning in uniform, down to Omawa. You forgot it. Something that has happened far back ago. Okigwe no Muranya, these are the enemies. These are the strategical way how to reach enemies into your land. Now Okigwe is calm. I told them that it offer Google. You see all this flav, Igbo flav, all this flani blows. Naja Nara Hope was at the Mago. Deceiving Hope, collecting money from Hope, telling Hope that these people is so place, they know where they are. They will go and conquer, they will go, conquer and come back. All these people are slaves. I don't have much to tell you people. Okigwe Mepena Yamonaya. Everywhere is calm, at least the people of Okigwe can testify it. And the way Okigwe is very okay. Let no one be deceived by all these flave flani blows. I am telling you people, let no one be deceived by all these people that are deceiving themselves, videoing a place, all those areas, or flan in uniform. General Wahana Biafra Liberation Army, the meeting. How about those places? You have burnt it down. The next thing not there, where the zinc as you call us a criminals. Three elements. You take human being. When you directed them, when you instructed them that those people are over there having their meetings, that is where they are doing their meetings. What do you expect them to do? A flavor flying in uniform that can't even build a house, that can't even achieve a property. This is how you people have been moving around, looting people's properties, setting people's houses ablaze. After all said and done, you people will turn against Biafrans. You people we turn it to us that we are the one doing. We are the one doing it. Stupid elements. And anyone or anyone that want to make all this kind of thing, because I know they are moving around buying people, instructing them what to do, how to castigate the men on ground, how to castigate Biafrans, how to destroy all the good work of this struggle. This is one thing I want everyone to know. I want everyone to know this today, being 24th of April. Now they are still moving around. Gentle is in Okigwe. I am not in Okigwe. You people should stop propagandering. I am not in Okigwe, but I really appreciate Chukwu Okabiama today that Okigwe is calm. Okigwe must be calm, and Okigwe must be better again. For your information, going to the government or deceiving the government by showing them video, pictures, that this is the handwork of Biafra Liberation Army, criminal, this and that and this. Know you that the more you are calling IPOB a criminal, you yourself, you are a criminal. I thought that you are wise enough. At least you speak like somebody that is knowledge, but you are nothing. That is why they say passing six is not a passing sense. You are so selfish. You don't know what you are doing. They have bribed you through Ijele. Udele, listen to me. Okigwe is not Olo. Okigwe is not Orsu, and Okigwe can never be Orsu. You can never achieve any money here in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. You see that money you have made in Olo, you can never achieve it in Okigwe. Okigwe is not Olo. So you better go and look for work to do. You have been saying all sorts of all manner of things against me. Being gentle to Yahoo. My brother, I am bigger than you. Bigger than you. You are more than a dead rat. You know nothing. You are so selfish. The only way to end all these things, Udele, forget about all these things that you are moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. It can never work out for you any longer. You get that? If you are doubting and debating on it, Udele, let us just fix a referendum. In fact, let us make it a kind of politics. Udele, stand like this, gentle stand like this. Let's see who will win the vote. Udele, the only way out of all these things is to divide this nation. Is to divide Nigeria. Biafra is tired of being in Nigeria. We are tired of being in Nigeria. So my brother h0o gawa. Let referendum be conducted so that the people will decide on their own. You are not the mind of the people. You are not the mind of the people, and you can never be the mind of the people. What is your problem for this life? You have tried to be a Nigeria. Be your Nigeria and go your own way. Stop disturbing the people. Stop propagandering around. Stop colluding with people around. setting them work to do. The same place that you people sent Fulani in uniform, Boko Haram, Swamp ISIS, Al Qaeda, to go and set ablaze, to go and burn down. You people are turning back now, videoing all those areas, bringing it up on the net, telling the people this is the work of the Biafra Liberation. And thank God Okigwe have open eyes and Okigwe have known the truth. So you people should stop causing havoc in Okigwe. You people should stop causing havoc in Okigwe, in Imo State, in Southeast. Stop causing havoc in all these areas. Southeast is very calm and quiet. Focus and face north, where Boko Haram is swamp are setting houses, churches, people kidnapping everywhere. I am still saying it. Since in Bidoro struggle, okwa na memele kidnapping, okwa na owo hikam nezu, that this movement, okwa na mabola people so more than here shit here mego. Man okwa na we fala Biafra. But owo na meme be frun lilo, la unni na we la collude together. Let plan all this evil against Gento and my people, against Biafrans, against Butos, against all of us, against B44, against Owama, against the Obueble Butos, against all of us. Bitakola and all the rest, against all of you. God in heaven, the gods of the land, the Biafra land, will punish all of you. All that grave that you people have been opening for us. Shameless people, shame to you people. Rubbish elements, rubbish people. Stupid set of people. Biafra has open eye. We can never be deceived anymore. And we are the ancestors, those that fought, and Nigeria thought that they have won them. That they have won them, we are back. And we must fight this fight to the end. Set of people. Biafrans, I greet all of you. Do not be deceived by any man. Okigwe, stand resolute. Remember where you are. Okigwe is lively. Okigwe is moving on. Everywhere is moving on. Ijele, the same disaster you have set up in Orsu, you can never try it in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. A really mad, big human being. I got a check on a Mugu. And I check Ijele treat it problem. Okay. Who do you think that we provide it here in Okigwe? Okigwe doesn't have that money to give to you. Mugu. A playful mother. I don't have much to say than to appreciate all Biafrans all over the continent, all the supporters of Biafrans. Good day and God bless all of you.